It's Vlogmas, and this is going to be my first go at doing Vlogmas in December. I will try and post every day. I don't know if everyone wants to see me every day, but look, this is a little challenge more so for myself. It's the 1st of December, and I've just been doing some online purchases with Black Friday. This is not a sponsored vlog at all, but I've just bought myself like an infrared sauna, and it's come with a free ice bath. I'm in the process of making the ice. I've bought these big ice block containers from Amazon. Where I'm hoping to put the sauna, there's a little bit of event stuff there. So this is going to be an organizing and a setup of our new infrared sauna. Pretty exciting. I'm pumped for this. I've been wanting to, start using one for a while now. Let's clean this back veranda. There's a bit of crap around. I've got a day between jobs and working. Let's do this together. I thought this would be a fun little first Vlogmas. We don't have the Christmas tree up here. I am just waiting for some final Christmas decorations to come in, hoping that we can set up the Christmas tree in tomorrow's vlog. Here we go. Vlogmas 2024. So this is what our back veranda looks like right now. I'm really hoping I can put the sauna here. It's so steamy today, but I think we've made a good start. I have just moved the stuff in the corner over to this area for now because I've got somebody coming to pick up a lot of this event stuff this week. But I've had to just put it on hold because there is some bad news. After our beach walk this morning with Vicky, she went a little crazy after her bath and she knocked her sore knee. She had an operation on her knee a couple of years ago where they broke the bones and put them back together and put some implants in there, and she knocked it this morning. And I don't know if she's broken her knee because it swelled up like a balloon. I mean, I don't know. Like, I've had a hematoma before and they come up really quickly, so I don't know, maybe it's one of those, but I don't know. I'm just praying that it's nothing bad, because that poor little pooch has been through so much in her life. Like, ever since we've had her, which we got her when she was 8. I think we've had her for about 4 years. She turns 12. She turns 12 in a couple of days. I'm just hoping that she's okay, because I just hate for her to have another operation where she can't swim or she has to be on restricted movement for the next 6 weeks. It wasn't fun the first time, and I definitely don't want to do it again. So fingers crossed, but I'm going to go pick her up now and we'll be back soon to finish off this. There's so many great benefits to having ice bath and saunas. I'm just really looking forward to getting into the ice bath. I really feel that it challenges my mental psyche, I guess, if that's what you can call it. Yeah. Anyway, let's put this thing together, and then we could have like a sauna and an ice bath. I'm excited. I've been waiting for this. These boxes came a little while ago and I am like pumped. I'm pumped to, you know, we've cleaned, we've hosed, we've pressure cleaned. It's looking so good out there. So good. So good. We're going to be like bringing in this new year with like health and wellness and routine. And we're just going to start off 2025 in our best selves. The back is clean. It's going to be so good, guys. It's going to be so good. I'm pretty excited for this. I think this one is the sauna and this is the ice bath. I got the ice bath free in the Black Friday sales. And while the back veranda is drying, sorry, Vicky, near cover. I don't know how to say this. Near. I think, so I'm guessing that's the mat for the door. Definitely not a two-person one, and there's definitely no lights. And it's got like a little window. No color. First I've got to check my emails or my receipt to see I did buy the right thing. So not happy. It's not the right size either. It's meant to be like 1 meter by 1.2 meters. Let's measure this up, guys. Let's measure this up. Okay, let's do this. Let's just pop you up there. So that's 1 meter, and 1.20 meters is that. And that's definitely not. Dimensions, nope. I don't know how you're feeling about this. At this point in time, I was expecting to be, you know, doing a sauna with you guys and getting into the ice tub and starting off, you know, December and Vlogmas in like a positive, healthy, routine way. And now we're just the anticlimax of this vlog. It just sucks, guys. It just sucks. I'm sorry that this hasn't quite turned out the best. What can I say? I mean, I guess we're gonna wrap up this vlog now with just a tidy back veranda and a little bit of advice from me on, you know, maybe don't purchase that product or do some more research. I think I just got too jazzed in the Black Friday sales, got totally sucked in. And it was recommended by this, you know, health and wellness guy, I guess. And I thought, yeah, I'll totally get that, but Don't do your research. Do your research. I think tomorrow we're going to start Christmasifying the house. I'm pretty excited to put up the Christmas tree. That's for sure. All right, I'll chat to you guys tomorrow. Bye.